Hello everyone, this is James and today we will talk about this keyword. So let us start our today's lecture. So let us discuss first instance variable hiding. So in Java it is illegal that two local variable have same name. So consider a situation where instance variable and local variable has same name. So the local variable will hide the existence of instance variable. So to overcome this situation we need to introduce this keyword. So there are two types of variable on the basis of scope. The first is instance variable. The variable that are declared in class and each object can refer them are known as instance variable or class type variable. On the other hand, the variable that are declared within the method are known as local variable and their scope is only accessible within the method. So their scope is within the body of method. Let us depict me this situation. Here I have a class student and inside a student class I have a instance variable student name and I have also a local variable student name. So both variable have same name. So this local variable whose scope is within this method will hide the existence of this instance variable. So to overcome this problem, this keyword was introduced. So this can refer current instance variable, which is this situation. If I write this dot student name, then this will refer this variable, not this variable. Similarly, this can invoke current method. We will discuss it later, and this also can refer current class constructor. Even this can also refer current object. We will discuss in future about the use of this with objects. So here is the first situation. If I write this dot instance variable, then this will refer this instance variable. Similarly, I have a method void a and I have a method void b, and if I write this dot a, this will refer to this method. So if I have more methods that take parameter, I have to mention the parameter in this bracket. Similarly, we can refer refer constructor by this. Let's say I have a constructor student which is taking no parameter and another constructor which is taking a parameter. Inside this constructor I want to call this constructor, so I can write this and then the list of parameters. So this is taking no parameter, I have to pass no parameter. If there are other constructors that are taking parameter, then we have to pass them in the parentheses. Now let us quickly practice this. The first situation is here. I'm on the class I'm working. So here I have to write string name because I have to make local variable and instance variable same. So age. So right here name, department and age. Save this file and run this. As you can see, it is printing null, null and 0. So it is printing the default values because the string has default value null and int has default value 0. So let me write this keyword, this dot, similarly this dot, save this file. So this dot age will refer this variable, not this variable. So let us run this program. So now as you can see that it is working and it is fine. So now let us discuss the second use of this keyword. I have a method name as welcome, so I want to call it again. So I can write this dot. As you can see that Here are the methods that I can call. So I have write welcome, save this file and run this code. So as you can see that, oh sorry, I have to call this method in the main method. So let us call s1 dot add two numbers. So add two numbers will take two parameters, and I have to pass the first parameter is 5, the second parameter is, let's say, 10. Save this and run again. Sorry, this will give an error because I have not put parentheses. Save again and run this. So as you can see that it is printing the sum, printing the main method hello, this is tilde. So I have called this method in this method, and it is also returning us addition. Now let us discuss the third use, and the third use is calling constructor. So I can call constructor this and then parenthesis. So this will call a constructor that is taking no parameter. So save it and run it. As you can see, it is printing welcome due to this, and then it is initializing the three different instance variable, and then it is calling this method. So here you can see that this constructor is called. When this constructor is called, so this constructor will run this code, and this will call this constructor, and it will print welcome. After printing welcome, it will initialize the instance variable. So then system will print all the three instance variable, and after printing instance variable, we are calling some method. So let us do some changes. And let me pass this parameter here. So I have to remove this. Now save and run again. So as you can see that it is this method is calling another method hello, this is tilde, and also performing addition. So this is how we can use this keyword. This keyword has three uses: refer instance variable, refer current method, refer current constructor, and the other use is refer object. We will discuss it later in another video. Thanks for watching.